Okay, now you have your starter kit, it's on the way. You have set up all of your accounts through all of the social media outlets, and now I want you to visit www.linktr.com. So it's going to look like this, LinkTree. And it says sign up for free. And when you do this, what you get to do is sign up and do links. So you're going to make your links, as you can see with me. I have this Stephanie Rumisher Web, that is my Instagram account. I have been able to link a free sample, and I did that through Google Forms, which was also free. So anytime somebody clicks on that, they automatically go to my document that they can request free samples. Shopping links directly to my Color Street shopping page. I want to host a party, that also links directly to the hosting part of my website. And I have, let's see, here's where we see this. So I'm having so much fun, want to join me, which is basically recruiting to be on a team. And then I have my other company on here as well, in case anybody else wants to see it. But this is free. This is very helpful, very important. So start working on your LinkTree account with your links to all of the social media that you just set up, so we can get going on that. You're doing an excellent job. Hang in there. We're getting through all of these little steps, and this is going to make for you to be successful. Thanks.